How to invest in AI stocks and startups for massive returns. AI stocks and startups are exploding right now. Imagine being one of those early investors in companies like Amazon, Tesla, or Google, but this time with artificial intelligence. What about those hidden gems you've never even heard of yet? Some of these lesser-known AI stocks could be the next big thing. And today, I'm going to show you how to invest in both well-known AI giants and underdog stocks for massive returns. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your portfolio, stick around because I've got some game-changing tips. AI stocks, the next gold rush. Let's kick it off with AI stocks. Investing in AI companies today is like getting into Google back in 2004 when it first IPO'd. Imagine if you had grabbed some shares then. You know NVIDIA, you know Microsoft, but what about the up-and-comers in the AI world? Of course, you can't ignore NVIDIA, NVDA. In 2023, NVIDIA's stock surged more than 200%, largely due to its dominance in GPUs, which power most AI applications, including the development of ChatGPT. But let's look at a lesser-known player, Upstart Holdings, UPST. This company uses AI to automate lending decisions, and while it's had its ups and downs, in 2023 it saw a huge recovery with its stock rising over 150% in just a few months. Upstart uses AI to make loan approvals faster and more accurate, reducing human bias and manual errors. Talk about disruption. Think of Upstart like a quiet river, but when it flows, it can create massive waves in the financial world. Diversify with AI ETFs. Now, let's say you're not ready to bet it all on one stock. AI ETFs let you diversify and still ride the AI boom. They give you a slice of many AI-focused companies, all wrapped into one investment. ETF example. The ARC Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, RKQ for example, holds AI stocks like Tesla and NVIDIA, but it also includes smaller players like Trimble, TRMB. Trimble focuses on AI-powered precision technology in industries like agriculture and construction, markets that are often overlooked in the AI frenzy. This stock has gained over 50% in 2023, thanks to increased automation in the construction sector. Investing in an AI ETF is like buying a ticket to a concert where all the top performers are playing. You don't have to choose between them, you can enjoy the full show. Investing in AI startups, where the real returns are. Alright, let's talk AI startups. Imagine getting in on companies like OpenAI before ChatGPT became a household name. AI startups are where the biggest growth potential is, but they can be tricky to spot early. One hot AI startup right now is Hugging Face. They're a leader in open-source AI and machine learning models, and they've been raising funds from top investors. Their collaboration with companies like AWS, Amazon Web Services, makes them a rising star in the AI world. Remember when Tesla was just a startup? People thought it was risky, but those who believed in Elon Musk's vision turned out to be right. Hugging Face could be the next Tesla of AI. Bonus tip: if you're looking to invest in startups like Hugging Face, platforms like AngelList and Seed Invest are great places to start, often with low minimum investments. How to analyze an AI startup for maximum gains. So, how do you know if an AI startup is worth your hard-earned cash? You can't just throw your money at anything labeled AI. Here's what you need to check. 3 key factors to look for. Team. Is the team made up of experienced AI innovators? Take Symbotic, SOM for example. This AI-powered supply chain automation company has a leadership team with deep experience in logistics and AI. Technology. Is their technology disruptive? Companies like Recursion Pharmaceuticals, RXRX, are using AI to revolutionize drug discovery. They recently struck a deal with NVIDIA to scale their AI models in biotech, which sent their stock soaring more than 60% in 2023. Traction. Are they gaining traction? If a startup is already partnering with big companies, that's a great sign. Investing in startups is like planting seeds. You need strong soil, meaning the right team and tech, and the right conditions like market demand and partnerships to watch it grow. Don't miss out on AI IPOs. Let's not forget AI IPOs. This is where you can see insane returns on day one. Have you heard of Symbotic, SYM? This AI company went public in 2022, focusing on warehouse robotics. Since its IPO, the stock has risen over 200%. Their partnerships with major retailers like Walmart give them a strong foundation to dominate the warehouse automation sector. Bonus secret. Here's a bonus tip. If you want in on AI IPOs before the market explodes, some platforms like Robinhood and Sophie offer early access. You don't have to be a Wall Street insider to get in on these opportunities. Why AI will keep growing and why you should care. AI isn't going anywhere. In fact, the AI market is projected to grow from $515 billion in 2023 to over $2 trillion by 2030. Companies large and small are scrambling to get their piece of the AI pie. Take C3.ai, which focuses on enterprise AI software. C3.ai is working with major industries like energy and defense. In 2023, their stock soared over 80% after partnering with the US Department of Defense. If you're looking for high-growth AI opportunities, companies like C3.ai are making serious moves. Think of AI as the next electricity. Just like electricity changed every industry 100 years ago, AI is now transforming every business from banking to healthcare. Why this could be your last chance? We're standing at the edge of the AI revolution. The window to invest early is closing fast. You don't want to miss out on these stocks and startups before they go mainstream. Bonus tip. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. With platforms like public.com, you can buy fractional shares in these AI giants and up-and-comers for as little as $1. So, the question is, will you be one of the early investors when AI becomes the defining technology of our lifetime? Or will you look back wishing you had taken the leap? If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building wealth in the AI revolution. Comment below, what's your favorite AI stock or startup right now? Please remember that the advice given in this video is solely for educational purposes. We're not licensed financial advisors. Please do your own research before investing in any stocks. If you like this video, then stay tuned for our next video. 7 best AI penny stocks to buy in 2024. Until next time, my friends, remember to mind your personal business.